What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is another video in the quick tip playlist where I'm just showing you how to download certain programs and just quick 3-minute videos. So let's get right into the video now and show you how to download and install Revo Uninstaller. That's the name of the program, Revo Uninstaller. First thing you obviously want to do is go to google.com and search Revo Uninstaller download. Once you search that, look for this one here. It's got to be from RevoUninstaller.com. Make sure that when you click it, what you want to do is just scroll down a little bit, and you'll see they got the free download. They got a free trial for the Pro version, and they have a $30 Pro portable version. You don't need all that to do the basic functions, but you can look at the additional features that they have, and if it's something that you want, go ahead, by all means buy it. But we're here for the free download, so we're going to click this button right here. Just click that. Then once you click it, all you got to do is pick your destination, your file destination, okay, and then click save. Once you've done that, it's going to pop up here in the bottom left. You're just going to double click it. There's going to be some administrator permissions you need. Either type in your password or click OK. And then we're going to hide this so we can see what we're doing. You're going to want to click OK on English or whatever language. Then you're going to accept the agreement. Click Next. Pick your destination you want the file to be in. You can change it by clicking Browse and then, pick whatever folder. Then you click Next. You can make a desktop shortcut. You don't have to. You don't want it. Just uncheck it. But I'm just going to leave it checked. Click Next. And click Install. After that, you're going to click Finish. And that is all you got to do. This is Revo Uninstaller right here. It's an amazing program. What it does is, actually, let me see if I can uninstall something and show you a little bit what it does. Let's just uninstall this Predator Arc service. So you just highlight it, then right click and click uninstall. Then you click continue and make sure that box was checked for the restore point. Then you just follow whichever steps it says. Click next, remove, and it's uninstalling it. Now what I love about this program specifically though is once it's done uninstalling, it's going to have, I'm going to show you here, it's going to have a scan. So it's going to scan your whole drive or your whole PC. And it's going to look for all the files, like all the little dumb files that attach to everything. Basically, like it says here, leftover items. And if there was any leftover items, you would click select all and then click delete. And then go ahead, click next, and you're going to have to do that twice, usually twice. Sometimes it doesn't have any residual files, kind of like the app I just tried to uninstall there, but most of them do. So that's very important. You want to do the scan because that's going to be a lot of data, that could possibly still be on your storage and taking up space. So make sure you want to do that. If you guys are having any questions, comment down below. Let me know. I'll be sure to get back to you. Also, check out my links in the description. I have all my IPVanish link, Amazon storefront, the usual links. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll catch you in the next one.